What's the meaning of chandler? Chandler. Chandler.
Chandler. Chandler. The word chandler refers to a person or business that sells supplies for ships, particularly candles and other provisions for long sea voyages. Historically, chandlers were crucial to the functioning of maritime trade, as they provided essential resources for sailors and vessel operators. The term has since expanded to include those who sell various types of goods, such as specialty foods or decorative lighting fixtures, but the primary connotation remains tied to the nautical industry. Today, the role of chandlers is less prominent due to advances in technology and transportation, but the term still holds cultural significance and historical value.